What's up, everyone? This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and here we do a little bit of food reviews. What is up, everyone? This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and here we do some tool reviews. We also do some cooking videos, and we do some grill videos, and hopefully soon we'll do some guitar reviews as well. If that's something that you may be interested in, please hit that subscribe button. I don't ask too often. Now here we are going to look at the PiViT tool. You know, if you're a painter. We got the PiViT in action. My cheap Gorilla ladder. It's already saving me time. This is the first time I'm using it. I had it down there. I want to use it on my bigger ladder for up here. I don't know how tall these are. I'm gonna guess like 23 feet. So, but yeah, so far it's working out great. I don't have to move the ladder in some weird, awkward position or feel unsafe. And it's very, very sturdy. Might not look like you have a ton of room there, but I mean, it's very, very sturdy. So. I feel like prepper life. Anyways. This is a fence we did last week. The only thing I ran into with the PiViT that was the problem was this area right here. I could have used two of them. So, one thing to consider when you're buying one. Probably should have bought two, but yeah, it's not like they're that cheap. So, all in all, great tool. And get back to staining this deck. And even if you're not a painter, if you're a homeowner, these are still super handy. See the slopes, the steps, roofs. You use it as a ladder jack, a tool caddy, and more. And this is made by Provision Tools, the PiViT tool, ladder tool. And we'll get into some of the, it kind of live in action. We'll look at all this flooring I got from Hobo Freight. I still have one more pack. I have two of these. Nope, there's the other one. You gotta figure out what I'm gonna do down here. And again, when it's all said and done, I wish I had bought another one because I ran into another situation where I needed one. But you can see from that first clip that I needed it for a landing or for the steps there. And now I have got around not using one on another job and everything, but that's just how the staircase was laid out, and it was more enclosed, so I could still reach the high points. But would have this been useful? This still would have been useful, and I wouldn't have had to move my ladder so much. So, and yeah, don't give me so much crap in the comments about my ladders. I know they're not necessarily painter's ladders, but I got a good deal on them, so it is what it is. You can buy hooks and all kinds of different stuff. So, long day today at work, so just staining a deck. And you'll see, and you probably should have already seen in the video where we previously stained the fencing. So, oh yeah. Thanks again. Appreciate everybody that watches. Take care. This is only about half. Wet dry vac. This one saw. This will be like perfect for doing subfloors because I cut out a lot of rotted subfloors. This is